Today we will do a short practice which will help in staying centered and balanced. You can listen to this recording and follow along with instructions when you feel things are getting a bit too much, when you're feeling overwhelmed or anxious about any situation. You can also practice this for your beloved animal companion if they are feeling stressed or spooked out. To start, please find a comfortable seat. You need to be seated with your back straight and with your feet touching the ground and without any interruptions or distractions. Please do not do this while in the midst of any other activity, and please do not sit on the bed for this one. Press the pause button if you need to rearrange yourself and start whenever you're ready. Now close your eyes. Take a few deep breaths. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, and this time hold the breath in your lower abdomen and breathe out through your mouth with a little pause. So breathe in, hold in the lower abdomen, breathe out with force through your mouth. Breathe in, hold, breathe out. Once more. Breathe in, hold, breathe out with force through your mouth. Keep breathing slowly. Breathe in and breathe out. Breathe in and breathe out. Breathe in and breathe out. Now, feel your feet on the ground. Feel the texture of the ground beneath your feet. Is it soft? Is it hard? Is it concrete? Maybe it is wood. Feel the texture of that ground. What lies below that layer? Maybe it's another apartment. Maybe it is the soil of the ground. And what lies beneath that? Keep tracing all the way down. It is almost as if you can feel the soil on the ground, you can feel the stones below that, the minerals and the crystals as you trace all the way down to the center of the earth. How does it feel? Next time, as you breathe in, you will imagine that vibrant, strong energy that is the earth's energy rising all the way up from the core of the earth, up through all the layers, right up through the soles of your feet and into your heart. And as you breathe in and that earth energy rises up, you feel your heart filled with the warm, supportive earth energy. You now know that you are loved, you are supported, and you are being held. Feel that earth energy within you. And next time, as you exhale, imagine anything else that is holding you back being released from the soles of your feet back into earth. Breathe in. Feel the earth energy rising all the way from the center of the earth through the crystals and the minerals and the stones and the soil, through the soles of your feet, right into the center of your heart. Feel your entire being held, loved, and supported. And breathe out. Breathe in, feel the earth energy rising up. Feel your entire being held and loved and supported. And breathe out. Continue this for a few more rounds, please. Breathe in and you feel that earth energy rising into your heart, and you feel yourself expanding with that warm, supporting, loving energy. And this time as you breathe out, imagine that earth energy radiating out from you in all directions. That warm, vibrant earth energy radiating out from you. Touching all these. You are enveloped in a space of radiant, vibrant, loving energy. Breathe in and out. Feel that energy within you, going out in all directions. And you are surrounded with so much love and support. Now call upon your animal companion. Bring them to your heart and invite them to share the space with you. It is their choice. They choose how they want to participate, and you respect that choice. You can feel them in your heart. Now bring to your heart all the animals out on the streets, the strays, and hold them in your loving thoughts. And then bring to your heart all the animals out in the wild and hold them in your loving thoughts. May the power of this unconditional love and support comfort our animal friends. May they know they are safe and supported. May the power of this unconditional love and support comfort all the animals out in the street. May they find safety and shelter tonight. May the power of this unconditional love and support comfort all the animals out in the wild. May they find safety and shelter tonight. And just for today, all is safe and all is well. And with that, you let go of the animals and you thank them for sharing the space with you. Breathe in and out. Now slowly become aware of your surroundings, that ground beneath your feet, your seat, your face, your entire body. And whenever you feel complete, you may open your eyes. Thank you for joining in this practice today, and I hope it has brought some benefit for you.